Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Firefox browser on Windows. We can uninstall Firefox browser via Windows settings and control panel. We can uninstall it by either of the two ways. So first let us see how to uninstall via Windows settings. To uninstall via Windows settings, go to Windows settings. You can press Windows I, which is the shortcut to go to Windows settings. Click on apps, installed apps, type Firefox. So you can see that the Mozilla Firefox appears here. So click on the three dots, uninstall. Click on uninstall. So once you click on uninstall, you'll get this pop-up. Click on next. Click on uninstall. Okay, so uninstallation is complete. Click on finish. So here you can see that the Firefox is removed. So it is uninstalled via the settings. So in this way, we can uninstall Firefox via Windows settings. The second way to uninstall the Firefox browser is via the control panel. So go to Windows Run. So press Windows R, type in control and enter. Click on uninstall a program. So this brings up the programs. So here you need to go to the application Mozilla Firefox and click on uninstall. This brings up the pop-up. Click on next. Click on uninstall. Click on finish. So the uninstallation is done. So here you can see that the Firefox is removed from here, but you can still see that Mozilla maintenance service is present. So just refresh it. So once you refresh, that is also removed. I have prepared a reference guide for the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer this. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.